Here's a quick bike check on my Y Cycles Big Iron V1. So I currently have it set up single speed with a 32 tooth wolf tooth chainring, Truvativ Stylo fat carbon cranks, and then a 22 tooth Surly cog. Moving to the front, we have a Salsa Makwa carbon fork. There's no bottle mounts or gear mounts, but that's okay on this bike. I have 27.5 by 4.5 inch Barbara Ghazi tires. Very fast rolling, very light. They've been durable for me, even on some chunky single track. The wheels are light bicycle drift. I believe it's a 75 millimeter internal width double wall carbon, built on DT Swiss Big Rides. And the rear has the 54 tooth ratchet upgrade. Moving up, we have NV M6 carbon bars, ESI extra chunky grips. I won't run anything else. Same story with these XT 2-piston brakes. I won't run anything else. They just work. Moving on to the stem, we have a 70 millimeter Thompson Elite. Same story with the seat post, a Thompson Silver Post. And for the butt perch, a Ergon SM Pro. Cages are Specialized Z, and pedals are Crank Brothers Candies. The only issue I've had with this is the dropouts, like the creak. So every few months I would just have a really bad creaking noise coming from it sounded like the bottom bracket. But solve that, you just make sure that you put some grease between this surface and this surface, and that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below.